What is bread processing? Traditionally, the term bread processing was used by high-speed bakers to assess the contribution of molding or makeup stages of dough to the manufacture of bread. Today, it's a broader term describing the overall manufacturing process of breads and buns. It consists of a series of steps including mixing, fermentation, makeup, proofing, baking, cooling, slicing, and packaging. Due to their critical role, these processes must be carefully operated to meet preset conditions and specifications. How does it work? The following block diagram shows the production steps in bread processing using different dough systems. On a straight or no-time dough system, bread processing begins with the materials handling system. Then, ingredients are scaled or metered before moving on to sponge mixing, pre-fermentation, and dough mixing. After that, comes floor time, makeup, panning, final proofing, scoring, baking, depanning, cooling, slicing, and finally, bagging. What dictates a dough system? The style and type of bread dictates the dough system to use as well as the processing conditions during mixing, makeup, and baking. A baker would not like to produce ciabatta with a closed crumb structure, or to produce a loaf of white pan bread with an open crumb structure and texture like a ciabatta. All steps in bread processing are important for a successful operation, but most bakers would agree that the three truly vital process steps are mixing, fermentation, and baking. They are commonly described as the heart and cornerstone of bread-making operation and can also determine the finished product characteristics, both internally and externally. Mixing. The objective is the blending and hydration of dry ingredients, air incorporation, and gluten development for optimum dough handling properties. Variables to monitor and control include mixing time, energy input, and dough temperature. Mixing time is a function of flour strength, its protein, damaged starch and non-starch polysaccharides, and bran particles content. Other factors include mixer speed, mixing arm design, dough size in relation to mixer capacity, adequacy of refrigeration system, dough temperature, and delayed sugar, fat, or salt addition. Mixing equipment includes vertical, planetary, spiral, open and closed for vacuum mixing, horizontal, continuous, open and closed. Process specifications. Bread processing requires 9 to 15 minutes at high speed in horizontal mixers. Its final dough temperature should be 76 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. To learn more about bread processing, visit Bakerpedia. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At Bakerpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.